Okay, how to open your Xbox 360 controller. I'm gonna attempt to make my controller rapid fire. Now the first step to doing this is removing the 7 screws. 3 on this side, 3 on this side, 1 in the center under the sticker. Okay, now to do so, you need a T9. Focus is bad. But yeah, I have this cool tool here that I bought from Home Depot. And it consists of all of the Trox bits. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, you'll need a T9 to open it. Now your T9 has to have a hole in the top in order to remove the screws. If it doesn't have the hole in the top, it can be really difficult. Okay, okay, I'm gonna remove the screws now. Don't get wild. I get classical, don't get top. I get classical, pass you with a flow. You can never put a break on, and I break on anything a nigga take on. Cause I ain't on, I'm a trait on, take on. So a nigga like a Macon, is a Macon. With a bass on, with a bass on, let the pistons on that chopper. Cop some kamikaze, drive I rock with some Obama. Illy in the mind, really with a nine, really when I rhyme. Silly anytime, fine, chilly, giddy on the run, shitty on the dime, penny on the wine, penny to me, any giddy, well, bigger than a mini, ever mine. I'm Illy, and it's all on GPs and the P. G, walk by beat, beat me the freak. Talk, I beat, beat on a G. She, talk by we, BF, we be the best. Truly to that, prove me the less, prove you can bet, you be the rest, excuse me all that.
DJ White out, I'm certified, baby.
Remix, baby.
DJ White out.
Okay, that's 2.
DJ White out.
3.
My goons do. Boy, we a bunch of great return at the pool juice. Man, they gon' think I'm Lil Uzi when I zoom through. And I'm gonna be with my dogs like Troop. Money over female dogs, bitch, roof. I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a deuce.
DJ White out.
I'm ballin' like Gatorade. She all know my aftermath like Labor Day. Now you can walk, crawl, or skate away, but not me, because I and I'ma keep running, but I'm never running out of money. I'm a dog, I'm a stunt. If I don't do nothing, we get hot like the sun. They better get your ain't gone and grab it. I ain't all that deep in. Got niggas to brush it,